Hey guys, how's it going? Here again from HY Utilities, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a home network so you can remote desktop into PCs on that network. So remote desktop connection is useful if, say, you've got your desktop upstairs but you want to work from your laptop downstairs. So I guess it's little things like that that just make this feature so useful. Now the requirements is you need a computer with, I think, Windows Vista or above, but these have to be the Pro versions. It can't be Home Ultimate or Starter. Those don't have remote desktop connection functionality. So what you're gonna want to do if you have a Pro version or Ultimate version is you're gonna want to actually turn on the network. So from Windows 8 it's pretty simple. All you need to do is open up the Charms bar, go to settings, click on the Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I forgot to mention, you can use this with a wired network as well. Right click on it and turn sharing on and off and hit yes. Okay. Now, if you're on Windows 7, that's going to be slightly different for you. So what you're going to want to do is open up File Explorer, then go to Network, and then you're going to wait for it to come up. You're going to want to right click on Network here, hit Properties, and you want to go to Change Advanced Settings, turn sharing on and off, here, and turn sharing on and off here. So after you've done that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually want to set up the connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my dad's laptop and I'm going to show you how to connect to it from here. So the process is going to be very simple, so just give me a minute to change the camera angle and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. Now that you've now that you've made your network, you're going to want to quickly check that all computers are on the network. So you need to have both computers on the same network, obviously, and make sure you turn file sharing on and off. I'll show you how to quickly do that. If you right click on Network, Properties, go to Advanced Settings. This is for Windows 7 users, because we've already actually enabled file sharing on. But Windows 7 users won't have the Start menu. So just go to All Networks, turn sharing on and off. And then when you go to Network, just make sure you turn Network Discovery on, turn on File Sharing and Printer, and allow Windows to manage your home group connections. So after you've done that, close out of everything, and then you want to go back into File Explorer, go to Network, and make sure your 2 or more PCs are there. One of those PCs will be your PC, and the other will be the other PC, and you need to make sure you have your internet routers there to make sure it functions properly. So now that you've verified that all of those things are there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type remote desktop connection either from your start screen or start menu, and you may want to go back to network, and you want to find out the other PC's name. So in my case, that's my dad's PC, and you're going to want to type that here. Then what you're going to want to do is type the username you're trying to connect to. So in that case, that's my dad's username. So what you want to do then is you want to tick allow me to save credentials. Just make sure everything's high. Experience. Now here's the important part. If you know your speed test, your connection speed, make sure you set it as the correct one. But if you don't know it, just go to speedtest.net and then just start a test. Okay, just wait for it to go, and what you want to do is find out your connection speed. So clearly you can see mine is over 10 megabits per second, so it should have no problems, connecting it. So make sure you tick the right one. Mine's LAN. And then what you want to do is just go to connect, right? And then you're going to want to type the password of the user account you're trying to connect to. So in my case, I'm just going to quickly type the password. Right, and now, oops. Okay, and there you have it. So now, as you can see, I'm on Windows PC, and if I quickly show you, it'll say logged on, but when in actual fact you're on. So I think that's pretty cool. So what I think I'm going to do is now I'm going to connect from the Windows 7 PC, because it's slightly different for each PC. Because when connecting to Windows 8, you know, so I'm just going to quickly drop the connection, and I will lock this to ensure that I don't mess anything up. Don't look at that! Right, I'll turn the monitor off. Okay, so here you can see the PC. I'm just going to quickly log on. Alright, there you are. Now what you're going to want to do is open up the start menu, type remote, desktop connection, as you can see, and then you're going to type the computer to try and connect to, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to show you the whole of this because it's got my email there. Actually, no, I can. I don't know what I'm talking about. If you just type in your Windows 8 username, okay, as you can see, okay, right, and you hit connect, it'll ask you for the password. Now you're going to want to type in your Windows Live password, okay, so in my case that is the password, which I'm not going to tell you, okay. And as you can now see, I'm on Windows 8. The fact giving it away is that, you know, it's the Metro UI and everything. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and you're feeling awesome, subscribe to us. It greatly helps. But if you have any questions, just drop a comment in the comments section. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and I'll catch you later. Peace.